Today we talk about how can you fix this problem on your Planner 5 the app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, so you just go down here. Then you click here on apps. Then you come to apps list here, and here can you looking for Planner 5D app, or just click here on search. Then here add so Planner 5 the app here, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list here. Just click here on force stop. Then you click here on OK. So then you go down, just click here on storage. Then come to storage list here. Just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it again. Then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.